Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Vamsi Krishna, and in this series, we will learn Python programming step by step from absolute beginner level to advanced concept. If you are someone who new to coding or planning to start your programming journey, then Python is the best language to start with. In today's video, we will understand what is Python, why Python is so popular, where Python is used, and what make it so beginner friendly. What is Python? Python is a high level, interpreted, and general purpose programming language. The main goal behind Python design was to make programming simple, readable, and powerful. Unlike languages like C or Java, Python focuses on writing less code to do more work. For example, a task that might take 10 lines of code in Java can often be done in just 2 or 3 lines in Python. So if you can see here in these two images, in Java, the hello world program written in 3 lines, but where the same program in Python in just in a 1 line. That's why Python is known as a beginner friendly language. Why is Python so popular? Python has become one of the most popular language in the world. Simple and readable syntax. Python code looks very close to English, so it is easier to understand. Open source. It's completely free to use, modify, and distribute. And it's a cross platform. You can run Python program on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux without changing the code. Use community and support. Millions of developers uses Python, which means tutorials, forums, and solutions are easily available. Extensive libraries. Python has thousands of built-in and third-party libraries that makes tasks like AI, data analysis, and automation much easier. Because of these features, Python is not just for beginners. It is used by top tech companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA. So, where is Python is used? Python is an all-rounder language. You will find it everywhere in today's tech world. Let's look at some major areas. Web development, data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, software testing, game development, cyber security, etc. So no matter which field you are interested in web, AI, testing or automation, Python has something for you. So let's summarize the key features that make Python unique. So easy to learn and use. Even if you never coded before, Python syntax is very beginner friendly. Interpreted language. You do not need to compile your code. Python execute it line by line. Object oriented. Support classes and objects, making code reusable and organized. And dynamic typing. You do not need to declare variable types explicitly. And who uses Python? Some of the biggest companies in the world uses Python. Google for its internal systems, machine learning and data processing. Netflix for data analytics and recommendation systems. Instagram. The backend is built using a Python framework. NASA uses Python for a specific scientific research and automation. And Spotify uses Python for data analysis and backend services. This is how powerful the Python really is. Why you should learn Python? Here's why Python is the best language to start with. Easy to understand, read and write. In-demand skill with high paying jobs. Used across multiple domains. AI, automation, web testing and more. And strong community, online learning resources. If you master Python, you can easily shift into data science, automation testing, backend development, or even AI. So that's a complete overview of Python programming, what it is, where it is used, and why it's so powerful. So in the next video, we'll move to the particular part, installing Python, setting your system, and writing your post program. If you found this is useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.